We are about to take off, so fasten your seatbelt. Welcome aboard Etihad Flight EY 423 from Manila to Abu Dhabi. Current time is now 6:30 p.m. We are currently using the NAIA runway 7624 going east for our takeoff. Right now, there's some aircraft, or there's another, the Emirates, another Boeing 777, the AK-333 going to Dubai, and some other local airlines. That's the Lufthansa Technic Philippines. Look up. Yes. We now about to cross the South Super Highway. That's the Western Bikutan area. Yes. And the Bonifacio Global City. At the top, you can see those high-rise buildings of Makati City. Yes, we're above the Bonifacio Global City. Those buildings are the new high-rise buildings. The one with the circle, white circle, is the American Memorial Cemetery. And now you can see the C5 Road. This is the Taguig area and Pasig Taguig area, and we will be turning left going back to Manila Bay. And this is the C5 bridge. That's the Pasig River. Okay, at the top, those are the buildings of the this Ortigas Center. We're above the Pasig area, and we are now turning left, slowly turning left, banking left. That's the Ortigas Center. At the top or at the center. Now we're about to we're now in Quezon City area. Okay, we're about to turn left towards Manila Bay, towards the West Philippine Sea, going to Abu Dhabi. Right now, this is the Quezon City community. Yeah, that's the C5 Ortigas Avenue. Now we're turning left. This is the Quezon City area. That's the EDSA. Okay, now we're turning left going to Manila Bay. Going back to the Manila Bay, and we are assigned to cruising altitude of 28,000 feet, and those clouds are slowly building. Yes, there are some clouds now, so I hope you like our video for today. Just click like and subscribe. Thank you.